Hello, my name is Ukulele. Today I'd like to teach how to play Fly Me to the Moon on ukulele solo. This time as well, I have the tab for this song, well, handwritten one, but yeah, if you want that tabs, you can click the link in the description box. If you support me on Patreon, you can get this tab. Yeah, but even if you don't have the tab, that's okay. I'm going to explain one by one. Before I start the lesson, I will tell you how to play the right hand. You have to assign fingers to each strings. So to the fourth strings, you put your thumb, upper part of the fourth string, and pointer finger should be the down part of the third string, and your middle finger should be the second string down part, and your ring finger should be on the first string bottom part, so that when you bend your fingers, you can play the strings, and it's really easy to control. For example, when I told you play middle two strings, you can just bend pointer finger and middle finger. Yeah, then you can play middle two strings easily, right? And also, in order to tell you the chords, I'm going to use numbers as well. So G, I'm going to say 0, 2, 3, 2, because 0th fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret. And you can see the fingers, how I use my fingers. You can stop the video and you can check like pointer finger here, like middle finger here, ring finger here, or something like that. That's the beauty of internet. You can stop and take a look at my fingers. So feel free to stop the video and take a look at my fingers. Sometimes I explain, so yeah, don't be that stressed out. Yeah, anyway, so let's get started the lesson. The introduction goes like this. So first, I'm going to tell you the left hand. You use mute. Mute is very easy. You just touch the strings with your fingers and you mute the sound of ukulele. You see? And okay, that's left hand. So now move on to the right hand. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, then down, up, down, up. So I'll play it slowly again. Okay, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so this is the pattern of the introduction. The section 1 goes like this. Okay, so explain. First, 2 0 0 0 and play all the strings, and 2 0 0 3 and play the bottom string, and 2 0 0 2 and play the bottom string, 2 0 0 0 and play the bottom string, 0 0 3 0 and play the second string, then D minor, 2 2 1 0. So explain. Middle finger should be on top two strings of the second fret, and pointer finger should be on the first fret of the second string. And play top three strings, and put your ring finger on the third fret of the second string, and play and the first string to 0 0 0 3 and play bottom string, G 0 2 3 2 and play all the string, and take off your left finger and play the bottom string, and 0 0 3 0 and play second string, 0 0 1 0 and play the second string. Play middle string of 0 0 0 0. And again play 0 0 0 0 middle string, middle two strings, and as you play the second time, you put your finger here. Okay, so 0 2 1 0. So hammering, it's called hammering, but play and on. Then again play the middle two string and slide them up to 0 4 3 0. Okay, so I'm going to play the section 1 slowly again for you. Section 2 goes like this. Okay, I'll explain. So first F 2 0 1 0. Play all the string and bottom string to 0 0 3 0 and play the second string. 0 0 1 0 and play the second string. Second string again 0. Okay. D minor 2 2 1 0 and play middle two string. And play the second string, open string, and play the second string. 0 0 1 0 and play the second string, the first string, and do like this. So start with 0 2 2 0 and play the middle two string and slide them to 4th fret, the same shape. So 0 4 4 0 and yeah. Okay, play and slide them. Okay, and next this one 0 0 1 0 and play the second string, and while it's ringing you take off the finger. Okay, then 0 2 0 0 play the third string and take off your left fingers and play middle two strings. And 0 1 0 0 and play all the string. That's called A7 twice. Okay, so I'll play the section 2 again for you. The section 3 goes like this. So let's take a look at section 3. So first, D7, 2 2 1 0, and play third string, and play all the string, with fingers 3 times. Then this one 0 2 3 0 and play middle two string, and next one is this one 0 2 3 3. So G shape and add your pinky on the 3rd fret of the first string and take off and play G 0 2 3 2. So I'll play section 3 again for you. Section 4 goes like this. Okay, so first thing first, E minor, 0, 4, 3, 2. Play all the string, second string, and up, down. Then this one, A7, 0, 1, 0, 0, and down, up, up, down. Then move on to the next one, D minor, and play third string, and D minor 3 times, and 0, 3, 2, 0, and middle 2 string, and play again, and switch to 0, 2, 1, 0, and play middle 2 string, again, play again, and open string and middle 2 string, and D minor, down, up, E7, 1, 2, 0, 2, down, up. So I will play section 4 again. Before moving on to section 5, you play section 1 to section 3 again. So I will play it again for you. So section 1. After this, section 3, you play section 5. Goes like this. This one. So first chord is this one. 7, 7, 6, 7. So I will tell you the fingers. With your middle finger, play top 2 string of the 7th fret. And put your point finger on the 6th fret of the 2nd string. And with your ring finger, you play 7th fret of the 1st string. Down, up, up, down. Then this one. So first, 6, 7, 5, 8. You know, F shape and like this. So down with your thumb, up with your point finger, and slide your pinky to 7th fret of the 7th fret of the 1st string, and up, up, down. Then that's the end of section 5. So I play it for you again. Section 6 goes like this. Okay, so let's play it. 5, 5, 5, 7. Play bottom string and down stroke, and play second string. As you play it, put your pinky on the 8th fret of the 2nd string and take off, and play second string of the 5th fret, and play 5, 5, 5, down, up, then G7, 0, 2, 1, 2, down, up, down, down. Then as I play the 1st string, 2nd fret of the 1st string, and slide them to 7th fret of the 1st string. Okay, so that's section 6. I'll play section 6 for you again. Okay, so that was section 6. Section 7 goes like this. So first chord is this one. 2, 4, 3, 3. So bar the 2nd fret and middle finger should be on 3rd fret, bottom 2 strings, and your ring finger should be on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. Once, and next one. 2, 3, 2, 3. So it goes like this. Then this one. 2, 2, 1, 3. D minor shape, and put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Play and down stroke again. So this one is twice. So I will show you what I mean. Okay. Then C 0003, and at the end you play C major 7, so 0002. So I'll play it slowly again for you. So at the end, I'm going to show you the video of the whole song with section numbers. Enjoy! If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to post more content. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.